Good morning. This is Dolly with Good Life Gardenscapes. Today I wanted to share Amaryllis. These are a very deep amarilla. It's a deep, deep red and almost glitters in the sunlight. It's really beautiful. And this one produces seed pods if you go through and you make sure you pollinate the blooms. And I had opened one up, and these are the seeds. And these, if you touch them, there's a little bump in them. You touch them lightly. These actually will produce an amarilla, and many people say it takes 5 years before you see any results. These will produce within 2 years. You should have a bulb that will produce your blooms. And what I do is I open them up, pull them out, feel them to make sure they have the what's going to turn into the bulb. And I lay them out like that. Let's see here. Like that. Feel them. And all these, I feel them because I'm going to feel that you can even see the little slip in there of a bump. Okay, that is the beginning of your bulb. And what you do is, I feel all of them, make sure I let them dry out for a couple of days, and then I will plant them. And these will produce bulbs, and like you should get a bloom in about 2 years. The first year it'll produce your little leaves, which means it's collecting energy and food through the roots and through the sun, how that works in combination. And then it'll send you up a little sprout, and it looks tiny. So you have to have a controlled environment so you know what's coming up. So then once it comes up, you can actually wait till the leaves, you get like 3 little leaves coming up, and that's what will happen, and just plant them in the garden. Just make sure you plant them deep enough so that it's a constant moisture. You don't go through a dry spell in the soil, because it will kill them the first year. But if you go ahead and make sure, or you even put like 50 of them in like a huge pot where you know you're going to get to water it every other day or so, and you will get your new little amarilla plants. And once you transplant them into the garden, when they get just a little bit, get bigger, I'm telling you. And the one I grow, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a huge red flower, and it has a glittery look to it, and it's really gorgeous. And these are the bulbs that they sell for like $19-20 a piece during the December season. So yeah, I just wanted to share that your amaryllis produce seeds, and the seeds actually germinate and grow you a little amarilla bulb. Thanks. Dolly from Good Life Gardenscapes, Gulf Coast region.